we're so glad that you're here today. I'm Sarah. I'm an educator and creative entrepreneur.
And I'm Suzan. I'm a licensed clinical therapist, and we are Terra Vita.
So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have brought up Chat GPT on my computer, and I asked Chat GPT how to deal with anxiety. We had just completed a series on anxiety, which you can look on the rest of our channel and find those videos. But I'm going to compare its advice to Suzan. So Suzan is our licensed therapist, and you're going to give a thumbs up, thumbs down, or see what you think of Chat GPT's advice about anxiety. So we asked it, what are some practical tips for managing anxiety? Practice deep breathing, practice mindfulness, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, limit caffeine and alcohol, practice self-care, and seek professional help. What do you think of that advice?
I think those are great techniques to manage anxiety, and I find nothing wrong with them. What I don't like about it is that for each person who's going through anxiety, there are certain things that are triggering, and the timing of those triggers matters. And each of you out there has a story that is uniquely your own. And the only way you're going to understand the why behind why now, what is this, is probably by really doing some soul searching, seeing a therapist, going to a group of some kind to try to understand why is this happening right now. And I think that's a way to connect with yourself in a deeper way. The goal is not just symptom management. The goal is, how do I know myself better, love myself better, and help myself heal?
It does say, please keep in mind if you are experiencing severe anxiety or have thoughts of harming yourself, it's important to seek medical attention. Mm-hmm. Obviously, we agree with that, but
absolutely,
it can give us the basics, nothing wrong with it, but that whole nother level that a therapist.
Correct. And nothing that Sarah and I are doing on Terra Vita is therapy in itself. What we're doing is psychoeducation, and we're trying to give you and equip you with ways to connect with yourself and heal yourself, so that you can be the best you can be.
So we definitely recommend seeking out friends, families, therapists to help you treat your anxiety. It's your journey, but we're here to support you along the way.